Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to change your group to private in Telegram. By making your group private, you can control who can join and access the group's content. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Once you're in the Telegram app, tap on the group's name that you want to change to private. This will take you to the group's information page. Step 3. On the group's information page, look for a pencil icon located near the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the pencil icon to edit the group settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the group settings until you find the group type option. Tap on it to access the group type settings. Step 5. In the group type settings, you'll see different options for the group type. Tap on Private Group to change the group's type to private. Step 6. Finally, tap on the checkmark icon or the Save Changes button to apply the modifications and change your group to private. Please note that only the group owner has the ability to change the group type. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your group to private in Telegram, giving you more control over who can join and access your group's content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.